Stop wasting money on supplements that don't work. I'm about to reveal the only 5 supplements backed by actual science that can transform your energy, hormones, and health. And number 3, it could literally be the reason you're exhausted right now. If you're new here on this channel, we cut through the BS and bring you health information that's actually backed by science, not just marketing hype. Here's the truth. The supplement industry is worth billions, but most of what's on the shelves, total waste of money. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 supplements that have real research behind them and can actually make a difference for women's health. Before we jump in, smash that like button and subscribe because we're dropping evidence-based health content like this every week. Number 1 on our list is iron. And ladies, this is huge. Did you know that iron deficiency is one of the most common nutrient deficiencies among women? We're talking millions of women walking around exhausted, dizzy, and blaming it on stress or lack of sleep, when the real culprit is low iron. Women lose iron every month through menstruation, and if you have heavy periods, you're at even higher risk. Pregnancy also depletes iron stores big time. A 2022 study published in the NIH found that iron supplements significantly improved hemoglobin levels and reduced fatigue in women with iron deficiency. We're talking about getting your energy back, improving focus, and even helping with those brittle nails and hair loss issues. Symptoms. You might be iron deficient, constant fatigue even after sleep, dizziness and lightheadedness, shortness of breath, brittle nails, brain fog. If you're experiencing these symptoms, get your iron levels checked. The research is crystal clear. Iron supplementation can be life-changing for women who are deficient. Just don't megadose without testing, because too much iron can cause problems too. Number 2, omega-3 fatty acids. And this one is absolutely non-negotiable for women's health. Omega-3s, specifically EPA and DHA, are essential fats that your body literally cannot make on its own. They're crucial for brain health, heart health, and even hormone balance. Multiple studies show that omega-3s can help reduce inflammation, lower your risk of heart disease, support cognitive function as you age, and even help with mood and anxiety. One study found that women with higher omega-3 levels had better mental health during menopause. For pregnant women, this is even more critical. Research shows omega-3 supplementation during pregnancy can reduce the risk of premature birth and support proper fetal brain development. You can get omega-3s from fatty fish like salmon, but if you're not eating fish 2 to 3 times a week, a high-quality supplement is your best bet. Look for one with at least 500 mg combined EPA and DHA. And if you're vegan, go for algae-based omega-3s. They work just as well. Take your omega-3s with a fat source like avocado or nuts to maximize absorption. Number 3, vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin that 60 to 70% of women over 40 are deficient in. Vitamin D isn't just about bone health, though that's huge, especially for preventing osteoporosis in women. It's also critical for immune function, mood regulation, and even reducing inflammation. Recent research shows that vitamin D deficiency is linked to increased risk of depression, autoimmune diseases, and reduced bone density. As we age, our skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight, which puts older women at particular risk. A 2024 study found that vitamin D3, the most absorbable form, combined with calcium, can significantly improve bone health in postmenopausal women. Most experts recommend 1,000 to 2,000 IU daily for women, but some may need more depending on their levels. Get tested to know where you stand. Don't exceed 4,000 IU daily without medical supervision, as too much vitamin D can cause kidney problems. Look for D3, cholecalciferol, not D2, because it's way more effective. And remember, vitamin D is fat-soluble, so take it with a meal that contains healthy fats. Number 4, magnesium, the relaxation mineral that most of us are not getting enough of. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. We're talking muscle function, nerve function, energy production, and even mood regulation. A fascinating 2024 study found that magnesium L-threonate, a specific form that can cross the blood-brain barrier, improved memory, reduced stress, and enhanced mood in women with anxiety. Another 12-week study showed it dramatically reduced stress levels. Signs you might need it: muscle cramps or spasms, difficulty sleeping, high stress or anxiety, brain fog, PMS symptoms, magnesium L-threonate for brain health and stress, magnesium glycinate for sleep and relaxation, magnesium citrate if you need digestive support. Most women benefit from 300-400 mg daily. Take it in the evening to support better sleep. The research shows you might not notice changes overnight, but after a few weeks, game changer. Number 5, probiotics, because gut health is everything. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that influence digestion, immunity, hormone balance, skin health, and even mental health. When your gut microbiome is out of balance, everything suffers. Clinical studies show that multi-strain probiotics can improve digestive health, boost immune function, reduce bloating, and even support skin health. One study found that women taking probiotics had improved gut barrier integrity and reduced inflammation. You want a high-quality probiotic with at least 10 to 50 billion CFUs and multiple strains, especially lactobacillus and bifidobacterium species. Some probiotics require refrigeration, but newer technology has created shelf-stable options that are just as effective. Look for third-party testing to ensure you're getting what the label promises. Probiotics paired with prebiotics, called symbiotics, give you even better results because prebiotics feed the good bacteria. All right, let's recap. The top 5 science-backed supplements every woman should consider. 1. Iron, for energy and combating deficiency. 2. Omega-3s, for brain, heart, and hormone health. 3. Vitamin D, for bones, immunity, and mood. 4. Magnesium, for stress, sleep, and muscle function. 5. Probiotics, for gut health and overall wellness. Remember, supplements should support a healthy lifestyle, not replace real food, exercise, and sleep. Always get tested and consult with your doctor before starting anything new. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more evidence-based health content. Drop a comment below and let me know which supplement you're most excited to try. Subscribe for more ways to stay healthy naturally.